How much do you know about the world's flora and fauna? What is the only species of lizard capable of parthenogenesis, a form of asexual reproduction? Komodo dragon, tuatara, green anole, Brahminy blind snake. The correct answer is Brahminy blind snake. Which bird is known for its remarkable ability to migrate over long distances, sometimes covering thousands of miles? Arctic tern, albatross, swallow, peregrine falcon. The correct answer is Arctic tern. Which mammal has the largest brain relative to its body size? Human, dolphin, elephant, or chimpanzee? The correct answer is dolphin.